Hey everyone, I recently got asked if bulk offering is possible on Vision, and yes, it is. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vision's bulk offer tool since it saves so much time and it's super easy. So I'm on the Vision Marketplace, and first thing I do is filter for what I actually want to see here. I'm just going to click this filter for one-word names. Maybe let's also set a max length and sort everything by Vision score. You might have already noticed the offer button down here. This is where the magic happens. Now you can just click on any names you're interested in and multi-select them. Once you've picked all your favorites, click on bulk offer to move on to the next step. Now we have options. We can either be super efficient and set the same price and duration for all names here on the top, or you can customize each offer individually if you want to set different prices and different durations for each offer. And when you're ready, hit the place offer button and sign with your wallet. Let me show you another way to do this. Let's look up one of my favorite collectors in the space. Shout out to 1985.eth for the best fandom ENS collection out there. Serious collector goals, fam. All these avatars. Calez, your profile looks amazing. So if you're browsing someone's profile, you can do the same thing. Scroll down and you'll see that same offer button. And guess what? This works with the Vision bulk search tool too. Just paste in your list of names and same offer button right there. You'll spot it all over Vision, always in the same place. So basically you've got options for bulk offering all over Vision. Just pick whatever flow works best for you. If this helped you out, hit that like button, and as always, drop any questions in the comments below. I actually read them all. Catch you in the next one.